Options are many. Which one is the one you wanna grab?
Food service industry is a vast chapter. If you are interested in entering in this industry, you need to have keys to many doors. Hi, I am Lovepreet, concept maven for Let's Exchange Plates and host on LXP Today. We need to discuss as what are the ways to get into food and beverages industry. But today, let's first know the various circumstances and then further we shall discuss the ways to enter the food and beverages industry mark-wise. So let's start with the circumstances in this video. After all, it has to be a profit-making, prestigious and passionate pick of cake. So first scenario is you are a chef or did a culinary art course or hotel management or any other related stream and want to open a restaurant. So options are you have sufficient funds to invest in or you don't have sufficient funds and you are looking out for some. We will discuss this in details in my other videos. Today let's discuss more circumstances. So scenario number 2, you are an entrepreneur, gathered enough business knowledge, sufficient bank balance, and now you are inclined towards food and beverages industry as you are passionate about this since long and you want to get into this with your full time, full passion and energy. I understand your problem. Again, you have many gates like make your own brand, take a franchisee, work with which restaurateur, but no idea where to enter from. We will talk about this in my other vlogs soon. Likewise, in scenario 3, there are many cases where persons want to switch from a higher ranking post to a restaurant owner as they are in their 40s and they are very good professionals or many other facts and they wish to understand the various restaurant brands to invest in and be a part of the passionate industry. So now fourth, you want to invest in the F&B industry with your little time and less knowledge. Maybe your investment strategy. Again, options are many. So, fifth scenario is you are a foreigner and want to get into F&B industry in a particular country. This, of course, is a lengthy discussion with all minute integrities related to country immigration laws, company registration setups, and related compliance issues and so on. There are various other stuff also. As many of my friends already know that I am exploring some Canada market and of course provoking to open a business in Canada, especially the restaurant industry. So we will discuss this also in detail. So likewise, there may be other situations, but it is important to understand the exact and all entry parameters. So slowly and gradually, while we'll talk about this in my other videos, we will figure out the various ways and of course the right one for you. Stay connected and be informed.
Surely you will know your glass too.